Yeah, it's snowing for the first time this year. It is, according to my phone, 33 degrees out. It is Sunday, the 14th of November, 2021 at, gotta check my phone because I don't have my watch, 8:18 in the morning. And we're going to do a cold start and drive on my car. This is the first time I've owned it that it's seen snow, unfortunately. It actually looks kind of pretty like that, with the white just covering part of it. Unfortunately, that means it's going to start seeing some salt. Damn it. From what I believe, this is only its like third or fourth winter ever in Michigan, like ever seeing snow, because it spent most of its time in winters in Arizona. People, the original owners who owned it for like 20 years, didn't daily drive it here, but in the winter they would drive it on the highway to Arizona and use it there. So most of the miles are highway miles. But anyway, since I know everyone wants to see it, if I can find the right key to show you, let's go. And yes, this is a copy. Oh, snowing. Also, what we're gonna do is set my Sony up behind here to get some exhaust shots. Got it. Oh, Jesus. It is pretty chilly. See if we can, well, actually, you want to keep it open because you want to hear. 83,755 miles, 106 since last fill up. Weird because it's so dark in here. All right. Here we go. Whew, she is cold. Here we go. Dang. Let's check the smoke status. See if we're smoking yet. Ooh, not really. Probably gonna start soon. Cool. There it is. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There she is. She's smoking now. Ooh, she does not like that. Let's open the hood and look at the engine. Make sure this is open. It does not have auto lock, so it will not lock. Let's turn on the headlights and see what they look like with all the snow. Ooh, now that's a pretty sight right there. I want to get a picture of that. That's funny. Let's go around to the back. There's our smoke. All right, let's look under the hood and we'll take it for a ride. It's got the 3100 V6. Running strong. There goes all the snow. All right, let's take it for a ride. Okay, it's been idling for a few minutes. There's an update on the smoke show. Beautiful. Whew. Okay. We're gonna do something that you probably shouldn't do. I got my tripod set up ready. Ooh. That didn't sound good. All right. Let's get that shit going. All right, we're gonna let it defrost a little first, and then we're gonna get going. And I have my camera set up right there. All right, I think we're good. Rear windshield's defrosting, front's gone, windows are cleared. First of all, I can do that. You're gonna have to hear heat noise, because with it off, it's gonna be too cold. All right. Seatbelt on. All right, here we go. Oh, shit. Yep, tripod setup did not work quite as well as I had hoped. Damn it. Alright, hang on a minute. Alright, let's see if we can do another way. Okay, I might be stupid, but what if we do this? Oh, that will hold it like there's no fucking tomorrow. You're not gonna get as good of a view of the front of the car as you might have otherwise, but this is gonna have to do because I don't have a second person to hold the thingy. All right, let's do that. Since we were right near my house, I just came back. All right, let's try this again. Some people walking, that's okay. The car is almost warmed up now, so shouldn't have tons of issues. All right, let's give this bitch a test and see if my really ingenious rig works. Fuck yeah. We're not gonna floor it, obviously, because it's cold, even though the engine's warmed up. But you want to drive your car in the winter, you want to drive it delicately. Slow turns, slow accelerations, slow braking. And it's not just for the car either. You want, because the roads could be wet. That's the thing. And it's not really accumulating right now, but it could. You don't want that. So, oops, our defroster went off for some reason. We don't want that. Interesting blooper seeing the camera fall over. Any updates on this car since I got some time to talk? Really no. Really isn't anything other than I got an oil change at the beginning of October, well, middle of October. Really nothing has happened. Same tires, same shit. The steering wheel cover I had, the Chevy one, it broke, so I have this one that I've had since August or so. I like this one a lot more, actually. This one actually fits the wheel, and it's actually tight, and it actually feels like the wheel. The only reason I have a cover is to protect the wheel. I don't really like the feel of them, per se. That's what I use mine for. Some speed. Still got the intake manifold gasket issues. But other than that, she's running strong. Oh, I thought I was gonna sneeze. Okay. Nope. Alright, now we're at optimal cruising speed. AKA 55, 60 miles an hour on a busy road. My window's open, it sounds like a window reverb. Cabin is getting nice and toasty. I appreciate that. You know, as much as I bash the snow, It is beautiful. I'll give you that. It is cool to go out and see, you know, this. But I also like a 90-degree summer day like we had 6 months ago. I'm fine with that too. What I am not fine with is the fact that they're going to start putting salt down. Yay! Rust for this car. As soon as this fucker starts to rust, I'm selling it. I am not living with a rusty piece of shit. I hate when cars rust. It looks so ugly. The other thing is I want to try and keep the mileage low on this car. I don't take it I don't take it for highway drives. Only in the city. I'm just thinking in my head what we want to do here. Go this way. Like, should I keep going on this, or should I turn right onto that road? God, there is no one coming from that way, except for this fucker blocking the left lane. This fucker pulls all the way up. Now he's got to wait for a light. It's nice that it's not accumulating, because that would be one thing too if it was accumulating. Love the way this engine sounds when it's being accelerated. It's like this sound. I love it. And someone's gonna make that into a meme, but whatever. It's a nice sound. The 3800 is more of a sound. This doesn't. This has a when you accelerate. It's just the nature of the beast. BMW, bitch. I got my dash cam running too, but I'm not gonna put any clips in since we have the nice camera out. Oh. Okay, my rear defroster went off. Apparently there's a timer on that. Didn't know that. Alright, now we gotta slow down because now we're in East Lansing. When you're in East Lansing, the cops will get on your ass for going 2 over, just like that. So we're just gonna coast here and get down to 35. Still at 40 because we're on a downhill. 342, okay, it went down. I get my gas at Costco, so it doesn't matter because it's always cheaper there. But whatever. Be quiet for a little and just let you listen to the snow in the car. Oh my god, Volvo, come on! Thank you. Some people, I swear to God. Alright, I'll be quiet again. Well, there went some snow. Locals that watch my videos, including some of my friends and family, they're probably going to know where we are. Standard procedure, please don't say. Obviously, I'm cutting out the parts right before and right after where I go home. You know, you don't see me, you know, getting out, whatever, you know. I don't film stuff like that. Puddle. Ooh, the car hydroplaned there. I'm trying not to drive in the puddles, but it's kind of hard when they're literally where your wheels are supposed to be. Oh, that feels good. Okay. Let's see here. That was a sharp turn and the camera held up. Good. That person should have their headlights on. I don't know what you're doing. Dangerous. Oh, aluminum. It was red too. Holy shit, I couldn't tell because it had snow on it. I don't know what happened to that Hyundai. I think it's got duct tape more than it's got fucking car. It's got a fucking plastic bag over the back of it. What the hell is that with? Why? It's stupid. If you're wondering what this thing is, by the way, that's actually my parking pass for school. Nothing, nothing too important. Like most schools, you have to have that in your mirror on your dashboard or somewhere visible, because the theory is they will do a check. You know, when you go at the start of each school year, you have to register your car. You have to give them the year, the make, the model, the color, the license plate, which is easy on mine. And then you get a tag, and it's got a number on it. I'm not going to show you it because it has their school name on it, but you get a tag, and then the theory is they will check it, and then people who aren't supposed to be there are going to get in trouble. The reality is that they check it maybe once every 6 months. They might check it once in September and once in, like, April. That's about the best they do. It's not as... They hype it up a lot more than it is. They check it, like I said, maybe twice a year if you're lucky. Oh, we hydroplaned. Because that damn car's blowing shit off, that's why. I love the way the sky looks when it snows. It's so cool. It's so majestic. It's like not sunny, but it's not like cloudy. It's just like gray. And yeah, I get the winter blues too sometimes, but this for the first like hour of winter, I love it. After that, it sucks. Love it. I don't like garages until it snows, because then you don't have to deal with scraping shit off your car. You could go, dude. What are you... Oh, that person was turning into church. Gotta go to church, hon. Gotta go to church. And they're going to church too, apparently. Nice. What if that's my neighbor? Something's rattling in the passenger side of this car, and it's been doing that for like a month. I don't know what it is. I think it's something in the glove box, but I need to figure it out. But it sounds like it's coming from the door panel, but I know it's not because nothing's in the door pocket. Here we are approaching my cul-de-sac, my street. Car's starting to frost up again on the inside. All right. Well, there you go. Actually, let's get out of the car and then we'll do an outro. Gotta go quick because the battery's low. All right. Well, there you have it. A cold start and drive in the first snowy weather we've had. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. I'll probably do some more cold starts in the deep part of winter when I'm going to school and stuff just from my phone. That's it for now. Bye-bye.